welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafsa. If you're just tuning in your TV set, if you're just coming here for the first time, my name is Hafsa. Welcome. Don't leave without subscribing and leaving a comment. In today's video, I will be trying out the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liner in the trio called Baywatch. Yes. So I got these three in their new eyeliners, and I really love these liners because I feel like you can just easily achieve like a fashion forward, like a nice look without like too much effort. So I decided to get it. Usually I mix like my eyeshadow with water and then try to like do an eyeliner, but since like she had this one, I had to buy it. Anyway, I really wanted the pink and the green, but I had to get the blue if I want to get the pink and the green because Fenty only sells in trios. They like trios so much. I don't know why. Anyway, so I got this three instead of the one that had yellow, which is really what I wanted. I wanted a pink, a green, and a yellow, but I decided to just get this three. I think this one trio goes for $35, right? Yes, and I got this on the Fenty Beauty website. I'm trying to make it focus. Sorry guys, hold up. Yeah, so and I got these on the Fenty Beauty website for $35 for the three of them. I can't pronounce like their names individually, but everything together is Baywatch. So I'll be trying to actually look with this three, and this look I won't be talking throughout. It's not going to be a chit chatty video because I am trying a new thing. I'm trying a new thing and I cannot talk while I try the new thing. Okay. All right, so yeah, I already did my base basically, so I'm just going to do my eye and my lip and then like do the look. So yeah, if you like to see me achieve something with these eyeliners, keep on watching.
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
That's good.
guys, this is the end result of this look. I really do like it, even if like I had like a few glitches while making the look, but I don't mind it. I really like it paired with this lip gloss and like a tan face. Hold on, I forgot to put hold on. Okay, so we can talk. Okay, so we can talk. Alright, so guys, okay, let's talk while it dries. Anyway, so this is the end result of this look. I like the eyes. The thing that really disturbed me while creating this look was the fact that the liner kept on cracking and cracking, and it was almost like you were applying like water dipped into eyeshadow on your eye, so it didn't feel like it was together. It was separating so much, and that was just very difficult for me, honestly. Like, it was too much, and then like it didn't make like gliding over enjoyable. Like, it just makes like on your eyes, so I didn't like that at all. But overall, I feel like if like it was like a real like beauty guru that did this look, it'd probably be like way better. But I love this look, and yeah, so this is what I was able to achieve with these three. Anyway, I can't find the third one somewhere. Okay, yeah, so this is what I was able to achieve with these three things. And yeah, let me know what you think of the look. Let me know if it's something you can recreate and you probably like. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this eyeliner, because I'm not sure what to think about it. It is so weird. It is not Fenty Beauty material. I'm expecting too much, but let me know, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.